Hi. Welcome to TechAid's YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to enable virtualization on a Gigabyte motherboard. We have to enter BIOS settings to enable virtualization. To enter BIOS settings, we need to restart the PC. I will show you the shortcut to restart. Press and hold Alt key and press F4 key. Press the down arrow key on the keyboard and find Restart. Or you can click on the down arrow sign and find Restart. Click on Restart. Then, OK. Your PC will restart now. Now, repeatedly press the Delete key, and don't stop until you see BIOS set up. You can press the F2 key to enter BIOS. But in this case, the Delete key will directly take you to the advanced setup. We are now in the Tweaker section. Find Advanced CPU Settings and double-click on it. Here, you will see SVM mode. SVM is the acronym of Secure Virtual Machine. Click on it. At the bottom, it indicates that you can enable or disable CPU virtualization here. The SVM mode is disabled now. Double-click on it. You will see Enabled and Disabled options. Now, double-click on the Enabled option. The SVM mode has been enabled. You are done. Now, to leave this setting, press the Escape key from the keyboard. You will find the Save and Exit Setup option. Click on Yes. It will save the configuration and exit. Your PC will start now. Now, it's time to verify whether virtualization is enabled on this PC. To verify, right-click on the taskbar. You will see Task Manager. Click on it. Click on Performance. Then, CPU. At the bottom, you will see the virtualization is enabled. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.